hard to say.
Hey, what's going on today, everybody? It's been a couple days since I haven't vlogged, just because honestly there really hasn't been a whole lot going on. I started my first couple days of work, getting used to it. Still looking for another kind of side job and whatnot, or still another job to do along with it. Katie's upstairs. I'll show you when I get there. I just got done with work today, and I bought a whole bunch of equipment and paint and stuff to work on my first Nerf gun, just to try it and just see how it works out or whatever. But ooh, pretty nice out, guys. It is so. Look at this. It is so pretty out. Yeah, someone coming down the road. Just taking a poop. Yeah, taking a poop.
No, it's gross.
People are watching. People are watching.
You're so nice.
You're nice.
Stop videotaping the poor dog taking a dump.
Oh, there she goes kicking. I want to show the flowers I got you. Come on. So here's the flowers. They like put, you can see it there, they put like glitter on it for some reason. I don't know why. And then, got our monster tail. Boom. Charlie, what are you doing? Come here. What are you doing? Did you take a poop? Oh, also, I got all the paint, sanding paper, a few things I'll need to just do my first project. Who knows? So I'm gonna want to do more of this. Whoops. Stupid lens. What?
Happy I finally got my stuff crispy.
Anyway, that'll be the first one, just for at least, or the main material for the first project. And it'd be kind of nice to do more after that. We'll see. Where is it? It's in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Boom. There we go. This is the one I'm gonna mess around with as far as making it cool. Alright, this is what it'll look like before, and I think I'll take a quick picture of it, that way I can show a before and after picture. First thing I'm gonna do, based off the guy that I watched, you don't have to do this, but there's like always all these types of writings, like the Nerf logo and stuff, and you just take some sandpaper and just sand it just so it kind of just fades away. You're never gonna get it 100% perfect, but it'll do the job, basically. What's that? Get Charlie, come here. Hey. What? What's that? What was that? Making cookies. What? You making cookies? What? Anyway, I'm working on the gun here, and I'm gonna do something special with the darts. And this wiring is gonna be for some extra detail. The gun is outside drying. The paint isn't 100%. I don't know. It's my first attempt at it, so it's not gonna be perfect. But the paint's not 100% the way I like it. but we'll see the final result. Charlie! Charlie! Hey! What are you doing? What was it? Hey, buddy. Want a treat? Want a treat? Here, get her a treat. What kind of cookies are they? Chocolate, peanut butter, oatmeal?
Peanut butter.
This whole thing?
Chocolate chip.
Okay, here.
You can break it and get a piece of it.
Here. Break it here real quick. Alright, ready? Hey, please. If you say please, she does like a little growl. Okay, ready? No, sit. Sit. Wait. No, please. Please. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Sit. Sit. Please. She looks like Yoda. Hey, she's doing her Yoda ears. Please. Please. No. Not yet. No. No. Wait. Wait. Okay, good. Good girl. Good. She's like mine. Yes. Okay. So we have to go do laundry again, and when we go over there, I think I'm finally gonna start working on this here soon. But here is the Nerf gun as of right now. I took a blade, just kind of cut it up a little bit, kind of give it that look of being used and whatnot. Got the black coat on there right now. I put a metallic black, which I kind of showed up a little bit. It's more just a straight matte black, but then I'm gonna go through and put all the details on it. Got a couple of extra things, but I think it's gonna come along pretty good, and then I'll try to see if it'll sell on Etsy. I mean, if not, it's just a fun project. Okay. Proof that you eat junk food. And the flowers are still nice and good. And Katie, she like I said, she's been doing her own project. She painted this, and she's been painting. These were, I think they were candle things. Yeah, they were candle things from our wedding. So she's just kind of painting those. Sure. That's not much else going on. Again, it's a little chilly, but still really nice out today. We'll finally get to start longboarding again, and then as soon as I get the rest of the equipment, that's my other thing is I'm going to finally start getting some of the costumes done for the big video, the Lone Apprentice film, and to be able to start filming that here soon. Like I was saying, this is the part in the song where the lovers meet each other again at the very end of the movie. It was you all along.
Ew.
Alright. So, I got a few more things to do, I think. Just getting done painting it. Let me get it up to the light here. So, that is the somewhat final look. I have one more thing I want to do with it. Just to add a little detail or something, I took this, I don't know, little pipe thing I found, some wiring, and I just kind of weaved it through here, and I made a little hole right there to put it in. And then I took like a couple screwdrivers, or sorry, not screwdrivers, screws, and just put them in there again, just to make a little detail. There's a couple parts still drying on it, but I mean, for a first attempt, I mean, I don't think it's bad. What it looks like. And we're still just here doing laundry, waiting for the waiting for all the loads to get down.
So Austin he
They exploded everywhere. Look at
super
this.
glue. Look at that. Oh, look at everything.
And on my lip. And on my tooth. Well, I was opening it up to put on the final touches. Here, look. It's tearing the skin off.
Oh, look at.
Yeah, this is going to be the worst part right here. And it blew up right in my face.
Nicely done. Oh my god.
I'm a sucker for paint.
Don't mess with super glue.
No. Super glue is awesome. No barking. Hey, no barking. So anyway, here is the final product. And I don't have the bullets. I can show the bullets when I get home, but that is what it officially looks like. Wait. Hey, babe. Here. Why don't you hold it? Pew. Cool, huh? I might do one of Colton's. There's some bullets in there right now, though. I might do one of Colton's, though, maybe. But I might go to Walmart and get one of those cheapy $10 ones, too. Charlie. She hates these. Charlie, look. She just freezes.
Orvet Chews. Serious oral care made simple.
This is just a nightmare. And it wasn't.
A diabolical plot. It's something that the devil might do.
Are there too many things?
There's very compelling evidence. This is the reason. Take it on Friday. Don't watch alone.
Hey. Bolton. Maggie.
John, the only thing weaker than his alibi. Anything that might incriminate you. Go.
This just in.
I can think of one thing. It's his defense team. The victim was killed by going through a plate last winter. What could have happened based on the evidence?
That was my first thought too, but I tested the theory.
There's much more teeth on any city.
She's got my sock. She loves the toy. Okay, guys, just got back home from doing laundry and just hanging out. We're back home. Still got the nice lights up. The finished product of the Nerf gun we got right here. Boom. I think it turned out not too bad. Like I said, I kind of wanted to give it just this kind of like, I don't know, edgy, like kind of accessorized, or what's the word? Kind of like, you know, like in a movie where the guy like updates his own gun, just to kind of give it a little extra bang. So then here's the bullets. I kind of did like this gold look, and then I got like the wire again. There's no, it's all just for looks, just the everything that's on there, and then just again, just kind of like the whole, like it's been worn down, torn, and been used a lot type thing. So that was kind of the look I want to go for. But I mean, for first time, you know, whatever you want to call it, updating a gun, a Nerf gun, making it look cool or whatever. That's pretty good. I think I'll try to, like I said, I see these guys where they go and they do this type of stuff, and then they'll go on Etsy and sell it for like $100, $125 or something like that. So I'll throw it on there, just see if it sells. You know, it was just a fun project to do. It wasn't expensive or anything. So I've had this Nerf gun for a while. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can. If I do make some money off of me, I'll do it a lot more.
Understand what you want.
Starly or Charlie is like the star of the show.
What do you want from me? Oh, you've been fed, watered.
Hey, what is it? What's the matter? What is it? Is he a squirrel? Is there a squirrel? Go get squirrel. Go get it. Anyway, with that said, I think I'm gonna end the vlog. So I'll see you guys next time.